Hi friends! Today I want to share with you the 5 simple habits to boost immune system. These are just an ordinary Japanese people's lifestyle, but I believe these can be your help. Number 1. Sleep well. Good quality 7 hours sleep fully recover your brain and body. Highly productive people sleep 7 to 8 hours to maximize the performance. Research shows a group of people less than 6 hours of sleep has 4 times higher chances to catch flu compared to 7 hours of sleep. My number 1 priority is definitely sleep. Number 2. Eat well. We are on a healthy diet, as you can see. We eat more root vegetables which cleanse our gut, and we take probiotics constantly from traditional food like miso and natto. 70 to 80% of immune cells live in the gut. It is crucial to maintain a healthy gut to keep strong immunity. And we eat a balanced meal containing vitamin A, D, and C. These are indispensable vitamins to keep you away from the virus. We don't eat fast food, we don't drink soda or any other highly processed food, but home-cooked food. Number 3. Increase daily activities. I do exercise 10 to 15 minutes every day, but I know it's not enough. But I intentionally try increasing daily activities. I clean my house almost every day by myself, and I cooked a lot. That is actually good exercise. I am so exhausted at the end of the day and I can sleep well. Number 4. Take baths. I take a bath every day no matter what happens. Taking a bath reduces physical fatigue and relaxes the tension. Especially, ice hot treatment is so effective to recover your body. Watch the previous video if you are interested in. But I can't go to the hot spring facility in the current situation to do the ice hot treatment, so I take a bath for 10 minutes at home and warm up my body, and then take a cold shower and take a bath again. Repeat the process 10 times. And I can get a similar effect to the ice hot treatment. Your blood circulation will improve dramatically. Number 5. Reduce the stress. Last but the most important one is reducing stress. I know it's the most difficult one at the moment for most of the people, including me. In the teachings of Buddhism, human beings are suffering from the delusion, confusion, and anger. Buddha said when we release all the poisonous thought, we can free from this suffering. Try not to think about too much about the future, but now. What we can do is live right now at the moment with our best effort, and don't think about tomorrow now, but today. Alright, that's it for today. I hope the video is helpful for you, and stay safe and healthy. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!